Congressional Republicans are considering billions of dollars in cuts to Medicaid as the Trump administration works to make large cuts across all areas of the federal government. Our David Sackrider joining us now. And David, this could impact a large number of Americans.
Absolutely. More than 80 million people across the nation rely on the program, which provides health coverage to low-income Americans. That number includes not just adults, but children who need that social safety net.
40% of all births involve, the kids are on Medicaid. So it's a lot of people. It's a lot of our neighbors and family members who qualify and use Medicaid.
One proposal to make cuts to the program includes changing the federal government's reimbursement to a per-person limit, which would shift the cost to the states who may not have as much room in the budget to cover as many people. Another proposal includes adding a work requirement for those enrolled in the program.
You get a cancer diagnosis and then you're trying to figure out, are you going to have to work also? That is not the time for us to be putting more strings on people, more burdens for them. We should be helping them.
Dr. Aaron Sousa is the dean of the Michigan State University College of Human Medicine. He says that in addition to creating more medical debt for our poorest neighbors, cuts to Medicaid could also lead to a loss of jobs throughout the healthcare industry and other unintended consequences.
It's a large part of the funding of psychiatry residencies in Lansing and Grand Rapids, and those are psychiatrists who go on to work all across the state, including in places like the Thumb and the Lower Peninsula and the Upper Peninsula. And, mental health care is one of the largest expenditures in our country.
It's worth noting that a large number of Americans are not in favor of these kinds of cuts. According to the Associated Press, just over half of U.S. adults say the government doesn't spend enough on Medicaid. Only 15% say they spend too much. In studio, David Sackrider, ABC 12 News.